This is formatted console input, that is all data types. So formatted deal all data types, unformatted deal only character and string. In previous two program we analyzed about the character and string. Now we analyze and learn about the formatted console IO. So to deal all data types. So input is scanf function. Here we discuss only about the console input. So scanf function is a console input function. So it get all data types from keyboard. So this is a syntax. Scanf, the first argument is a string argument. In scan function, the first argument is a string argument. What is string? The collection of character enclosed within double quotation is called as string. So the first argument is a string constant. The second argument is a list of variables, that is addresses of variable. If we want to get input, we must give the address of variable. So the scan function already defined to get address only. If we pass the address, it get the value from keyboard, then it assigned it into that address locations. So first argument is string constant. The next arguments are list of variables, that is list of address of variable. Example, scan of %d, %f. This is a format specification. This is a conversion character within the double quote. This is a string constant. This is a format specification. So %d for integer, %c for character, %f for float. Then we give the addresses of the appropriate variable. It is an integer variable. So ampersand symbol I, it is address of I. So and ch, this is also address of ch is a character. So we here we use %c. F is a float. Here we use %f. Then formatted console output, that is all data types. Here we discuss about the console input, formatted console output. This is formatted console output. In formatted console output, the syntax is printf. The first argument in printf also, the first argument is string. The next one is list of variables. Here we use give list of address. Here we give list of variables. Because in print function, that variables values are go to monitor. That variables, the value of variables are go to monitor. In scanf, that variable addresses are go to function, then get the value from keyboard. So it get value from, it give value to. If pass the address only, we can get the value. Through variable we can pass the value. Through the variable we can pass the value. Through address only we receive the value. We will discuss on the functions. We will discuss on the function. This is an individual session. We will discuss on about the passing reference, call by reference, call by value on functions and pointers. So here we give format specification, variables. The format specification may be a string or conversion character, escape sequences. So string means it may be anything, that is collection of symbols, numbers, letters, these are all the string. In conversion characters, so start with %. In scanf we use only conversion character. You can't able to use string and escape sequences. The conversion characters is a symbol to indicate the type of data. The %d indicate integer, %c indicate character, %f indicate float. So in scanf we use only conversion character. The conversion characters are always start with %. Escape sequences are always start with backslash. That is /n, /t. These are all the escape sequences. So in format specification may consist of 3. One is string, second conversion character, and third one is escape sequences. Conversion characters are start with percentage. The conversion character is used to indicate the data types. String is indicate the information of users. It is the user. It is the information to users. It is string. It may be anything. That is collection of character. The conversion character start with percentage. So escape sequences always start with backslash. Example, printf a equal to percentage d. A equal to is a string. A equal to is a string. Percentage d is a conversion character. Backslash n is a escape sequences. It indicate the new line. Then b equal to, this is string. Percentage d, conversion character. The list of variable a comma b. That a variable value is displayed in this area. That is the value of a replaced in this area by replaced by, that is the percentage d is replaced by the value of a. The percentage d, this percentage d is replaced by the value of b. So the output is a equal to display some integer, b equal to some integer. So a equal to b equal to our string, percentage d percentage are conversion character, backslash n is escape sequences. So this is a conversion character for different data types. Integer, so short integer, you can give percentage d or percentage I. Short unsigned integer, we use percentage u. For long signed integer, percentage d. Long unsigned integer, percentage lu. Unsigned hexadecimal integer, percentage x. Unsigned octal integer, percentage o. This is the character conversion for different type of integer. Then real, float percentage f, double, that is percentage lf. That is double is a long float. Internally it is a long float. So float percentage f, double is percentage lf. Character, signed character percentage d, unsigned character is also we use percentage c. For string, we use percentage s. This is the conversion character. This conversion character are to indicate the data types at the time of accessing the datas. Escape sequences. So backslash n for new line, backslash b backspace, backslash f form feed, backslash single quote to represent the single quote, double backslash to represent the backslash, double backslash t for tab, backslash r to represent carriage return, backslash a alert, backslash double quote it represent the double quote. So both conversion character and escape sequences are used in printf, but only conversion character used in scanf. So example program to understand the escape sequences. That is integer a equal to 5, b equal to 10, c equal to 15. That is 3 integer variable. That 3 values are assigned to that variables. That is 5, 10, 15. Printf percentage d, backslash t. Here we use escape sequences. Backslash a, backslash a. This is also a escape sequences. Here we put a comma b. The value of a is 5. The value of b is 10. So display like, first display a, the value of a 5, display 5. Then here we use backslash t. So it display some blank spaces. Then it display 15. How many blank spaces? 15 blank spaces. After 5, it give 15 blank spaces. For readability, just I give the symbol of blank space. But in screen it will not display any character. Just display 5. After that, display blank spaces. No character appear on the screen. For our understanding and readability, here we indicate like. Then it display 15. And display 15. Then backslash a, backslash a. It is a alert. the escape sequence for alert, that is it give beep sound. It will give beep sound, that is it display 5, then it give 15 blank space, then it display 15, then give 2 sound beep beep. It will not display like that. For understanding only, here we display the word beep beep. But in computer, display 5, then it will give blank spaces, then it display 15. No character displayed for 50 space. It will give only space, then 15. After that, it gives sound sound 2 times. That is beep beep. This is alert purpose. If we display or enter records, that is on roll number, student name, marks and all thing, then display one record, then we put backslash a, it beep. It is a easy identify that the file reached or record reached, so it is displayed. For that purpose we use backslash a. It is a alert for alert, so display beep beep only. Backslash t. What is backslash t? Backslash is t give 15 blank space. So how it is give 15 blank space? But one backslash t basically in character mode, basically a screen consists of 24 line. Per line consists of 80 columns. 24 by 80. This is the standard screen size. 24 line of 20. It display 24 line. In each line it display 80 characters, up to 80 characters. It divide 5 zones, that is 80 divided by 5, it is 16. So divide as 5 zones, that is per line 80 columns. That 80 columns divide by 5, so it gives 5 zones. So each zone has 16 character. So totally 80 character divided by 5. So the each zone 16 characters. Here we use backslash t, percentage d 5. After that it display to display the next display in next zone. So to display the 5 display within 15, within 16. This is a first zone. So display 5. The remaining 15 is blank space. If we give double backslash t, but display 5, the first zone remaining is 15 blank space. The next is 16. So it display 5. Then it leave 31 blank spaces. If we give double backslash t, if you give backslash t, display 5, then it go to the, it skip 2 zone, each zone 16, so totally 32. So it display the 1 on 33 position is 33. Printf \n, it indicates the new line. So after 2 pip, it come to next line. Then display hello. HELLO, hello. Here we use \r. \r is a carriage return. The display hello, then it is a \r. It is a carriage return. What is carriage return? That cursor is come to the beginning of the line. The cursor is come to beginning of the line. This is \r. This is carriage return. The display hello, then the \r it come to the beginning of the line. The cursor placed on the position of C. Placed in the position of C. The position of H, it display hello. Then for \r, the cursor come to the beginning. The cursor placed in the position of H. Then it displays C. So the C replaced. The H is replaced by C. H is replaced by C. Then so displays yellow. Then it display bay, bay. backslash B for backspace. So display BAY bay, the cursor is positioned on after Y, BAY bay. The cursor position after printing BAY, the cursor is positioned on after the Y. The first backslash B, backspace, it go to the cursor go to the position of Y. And for next backslash B, the cursor goes to the position of O. That is A. The first time it display bay. The first backslash B, the cursor go to Y. The next backslash B, the cursor go to A. Then we print O on that position. That is that O, the A is replaced by O. The new word is by. So backslash B for backspace. So it is another program to understand the remaining escape sequences. Printf C:\\, bang, /net, /n. So what is the output of this function? It will not display C:\, bang, /net, that is a \n for new line. What is the output of this statement? It display CANK sang net. CANK can net. But here we give this here we use the string is C:\, bang, /net, /n. But the output is hang net. So because C:\, B, that \B is assumed as escape sequence. The compiler understand this is a escape sequence. C:, then \B. So the cursor go to colon, the place of colon, then ANK, CANK, then it display ANK, can. Then \net, the /n for new line. So it come to the next line. It display ET only. It's not net, ET. That is \n for new line. \B for backspace. It display C:, the cursor come to the position of colon. Then we continuously print of ANK. Continuously print ANK. The new word is CANK, can. The \n for new line. Come to the next line, then display ET only, not net, ET. This is a \n, skip this line, go to the next line. If we want to display this path, that is C:, bang, /net on the screen, we use C:, /. In escape sequence, already we saw a table for escape sequences. In the table, double \/ for \. If we want to display a \, we put two \. So it display like C:, bang, /net. Operators are C is port. Here we put / single quote. If we want single quote, we use / quote. This is a escape sequences. / quote is a escape sequence to display the single quote. Operators are C / single, it display only single quote. That is operators are C is fourth. It is the output. Double \n. If we give double \, it displays single \. So \n for new line. So here it is a escape sequence. The cursor come to the next line. Hanuman set. If we want to put Rama within double quote, like that. So we must give / double quote. Otherwise it confused. This is a starting string. This is the end of the string. The compiler confused. Like this is a starting of string. This is the end of string. So if we want display the double quote, we must give / double quote. This is a escape sequence to display double quote. So this output is given here. It display only a double quote. The after that / double quote display one double quote. So Hanuman said Raman. The display like that. Hanuman said Rama. The format conversion. example for format conversion, that is a character conversion, percentage d percentage f. Here main a equal to 500, b equal to 10, c equal to 3. Print of percentage d backslash n percentage d backslash n percentage d. So abc display the value of 500 in first line, the next line it display 10, the third line it display 3, that is 500 10 3, but it is not in formatted, because if you want to display as format, first we display 500, then we display 10, that is one is placed in the 10th position, 0th position, because 0th position as for the numerical method, it is a 0th position, decimal 0th position, first 10th position, the first position, 10th position, 100th position, the position is 1, that is 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2. So 1 0 you display like this is a formatted one, this is unformatted display, this is formatted display, that is 500, this is a 500. If we want to display 10, first we give blank space, then we print 1 0. If we want to display 3, first we give 2 blank spaces, then we print 3. This is the formatted one, this is unformatted. If we want to display in format, just star d, percentage 3d, percentage star c equal to 3, c equal to 3. Here we use a equal to 500, b equal to 10, c equal to 3. Percentage star d backslash n percentage 3d. Here we give 3 variables c, a, b. C is 3. That c value is that star. This is substitute of c is substitute for star. The c value is replaced here. That is percentage 3. The value of c is 3. So percentage 3d. In percentage 3d format, the value of a is displayed. Percentage 3d, it display in 3. It allocate 3 space to display the value of a. Because c is 3, percentage 3d. So it allocate 3 space to display the value of a. And already it has 3. So display 500. Then next one is percentage 3d. So here directly we give the value. We can also give like that. If we want to vary the digits, vary the number of digits, we can use variable. It is a fixed one, we directly give the value, percentage 3d. So the first percentage 3d, the value of a display in 3 digits. The next one is percentage 3d, it allocate 3 blank spaces. In 3 blank spaces, it display 10 only. So it display like that. That is first it release for the blank space, then it print 1 0. So it is in formatted way. The next program, a equal to 5, b equal to 3. Here we use percentage 3d, percentage 3d numbers backslash t, b equal to percentage minus 3d. Percentage 3d, that is a display a equal to percentage 3d, it allocate 3 locations, but a value of a is 5. So display 5, then it give 2 blank space. It leave 2 blank space, then display numbers. 5, 2 blank space numbers, because it is percentage 3d. It allocate 3 space. A equal to, it allocate 3 space. In first phase, the value displayed, the remaining 2 space is just blank space. Then display NOS backslash t. So then B start on next zone, that is 17th location. The first one is 16, second one is 17. They start 17th location, B equal to minus 3. First it display 2 blank spaces, then display 3 numbers. Percentage 3d, it is a plus 3, the value is 5. First it display the value, then it leave blank space. In minus 3d, first give blank space, then it print. That is, this is a left alignment. Minus 3 is a right alignment. First leave blank space, then display. Because it also allocate 3 blank space. But value of B is only 3, but 1 digit. First it leave 2 blank spaces, then it display 3. then it is numbers. So equal to, after equal to, in between equal to and 3, it has 2 blank spaces. It is also typo. Minus 3D, it allocate 3 blank space, 3 spaces to display the value of 3. But this is minus, so first it leave the blank space, then it display. That is right alignment. If we use minus, it is a right alignment. If we use signless, it is a left alignment. Main character S of art is soft tag. So it is a character array. Here we assign the string soft tag to S of art. Print a backslash n percentage d 12s India, percentage minus 12s India. So soft tag, the total character of soft tag is 7. Here we allocate 12 space percentage d for to display S. So display 12 blank space. In this 12 blank space, the first occupied by soft tag. That is totally 7 character soft tag. So in 12, the 7 remaining is 5. So after soft tag, it leave 5 blank spaces. Then it print India. Then percentage minus 12s. So it is a right alignment. It give first blank spaces, 5 blank spaces. Then it print soft tag. This is a plus 12. So it first print, then give blank space. Here first it give blank space, then it print minus 2. So format conversion for float variables. We can convert the format of float values also. Float A equal to 7.3, B equal to 14.123. This is a float values. Print a percentage of backslash n percentage of AB. The output is 7.3. The next line 14.123. This is the output of the program. In this case, that is our next program. Float A equal to 7.3. The same 14.123. This is not in formatted. This is formatted. First we type 7.300, then 14.123. This is formatted. This is not formatted. If we want to display the values and formatted in formatted, so print of percentage 6.3f backslash n percentage 6.3f. So the total number of space is 6. The total number of space is 6. Within that 6 include decimal 3 values after the decimal point 3 digits. So before the decimal 2 digits. Total is 6 including dot. Including dot, it allocate total number of spaces 6. It not before the dot is before the dot 6 digits, after the dot 3 digits. This is not like that. It allocate only 6 locations. It allocate only 6 positions, 6 space. Within that 6 space, that 6 space include dot. So it allocate 1 space for dot. The remaining 5. After the dot, it required 3. So the remaining 5, the 3 for after the dot. The remaining 2 for before the dot. So total space is 6. The dot is also one of the counting in 6. So after the dot, we need to give 3 digits, 3 space. So for a dot 1 space, after the dot 3, totally 4. The total number of space is 6. So the remaining is 2. So before the dot is 2, after the dot is 3. So display like 7.300 because before the dot 2. So it give one blank space, then type then print 7.300. The second is backslash and new line. Second one is percentage f 6.3f. So the total space is 6. The after the dot is 3. The dot is also included in that counting of 6. So the remaining is 2, the 14. The value is 14.123. So it is in formatted. We are also write like that. Float A equal to 7.3, B equal to 14.123. Integer B equal to 6. Print a percentage star 0.3f, star 0.3f, percentage of star 0.3f, p comma a, the value of p come to this place, the value of p come to the to this place at the time of execution, the value of p come to this place, the first star, the value of a come to the place of second star. What is the value of p? 6. What is the value of the first p? The value of p come to first star. What is the value of p? 6. So 6.3. It changes the time of execution. It changes that value of p come to come to this place of star. So 6.3 percentage 6.3f is a conversion specification. Percentage 6.3 is a conversion specification for a, because the value of p it replaced the position of star. So 6.3 percentage 6.3 f print the value of a. The value of a 7.3. So 6.3 it allocate 6 location including dot. So after the dot it 3, before the dot 2. So 7.3 it display like first it give blank space, then 7.300. The next one is star 0.3, the value of p. Again the value of p come to the place of star, that is percentage 6.3. In that percentage 6.3 the value of b displayed, that is 14.123. We are also write like that, that is a 7.3, the same program. Here we use 6 point star. Here we give star before the dot. Here we give star after the dot. 6 point star. The value of p equal to 3. 6 point star. Here also p comma a comma p comma b. This is a typo. This is a typo. P comma a p comma b. The b value of b is replaced the place of star, that is 6.3. Then we put a. Here it is a typing error. P comma a p comma a b. P comma a p comma b. So the same sequence is applied here. The p, the value of p, that is star, is replaced by the position of the value of p 3 is replaced by the position of star 6.3f, and 6.3f the value of a displayed 7.300, then display for 14.233. The sprintf is another function, that sprintf is a string print function, sending output to string. Normally the all output are sent to monitor, but by printf function display the all values on monitor. But sprint function it store that output to string. It's similar to print function, but that print function display the output on monitor. Sprint function display the output to string, that is sending output to string. Sprintf character s of 80, integer a equal to 50, float b equal to 65, character c equal to z. So 4 type of variable we assign the value for that variable. Printf a equal to percentage d, b equal to percentage, c equal to percentage c. It display the values on screen, appropriate values on screen. A equal to 55, b equal to 65.34 to z. The next statement is sprintf. The first argument is string. The first argument of sprintf is string variable. The s is a character array. It can hold 80 characters. So s is a array name. Comma, then we give format specification like printf a comma b comma c. The value of a, b, c and a equal to 55 is assigned to the array s. The name of array is s. The value a equal to 55, b equal to 65.342 z. These lines are stored into that array. The 0th location of s a, the first location of s equal to the second location of s 5. So all that is remain in locations of S. All values are stored into that locations. That is, the output are sent to string array. That is, character array is a string. If we print the S and display again, because this function is not give any output on monitor. That values are stored to S. After that we get the S. This is the output for this S. If we want to store the output in a string, if we want to store the output into the string, we use sprintf.